We're here to help if we can, but sometimes you just need to do it. Hi, I'm Nathan Brown, and today I'm going to show you how to put the back plate and the back shroud onto a DCore Cirrus massage chair. If you've ever had the unfortunate situation where one of these or both came loose, they can be a little finicky, but once you know how to do it, they can be quite easy to do. So let me show you how to do that today, and you can get back to using your wonderful massage chair. So this is the back plate I was speaking about. And when you look at it closely, you'll notice it has 6 hard points. The bottom 2 act as guides, and the top 2 actually do hook into the chair proper to hold it in place and also to hold the arms together in the back area. So let me show you how that works. First, slide the guides into the area between the arms. Make sure the back plate is above the arms. You may have to squeeze the back plate together a little bit. Make sure that they hook in place. Press down firmly, and there you are. It's pretty easy when it goes smoothly. So this is the bottom shroud. You'll notice that it has 2 hookup points down here that fit into guide points on the chair. The rest of the assembly requires you to use the fabric around the shroud to hold it into place. So let me show you how that works. Once you get the shroud into the little guide points, then you start working the fabric into place by running your finger along the edge. Gets a little tight up here at the top. Get one side started. Come over here to the other side. Repeat the process. As I said, it gets a little bit tight up here on the top. Now, the next point is to get this part, this fabric that you see that comes from behind the back plate that we installed earlier. You want to get that out so you can actually work with it. There, like that. Put a slight pressure on the back plate to move it into the position it needs to be. Smooth out the fabric. Attach the Velcro points. And there you go. That back plate is in place. Finishes out the chair nicely. Good fortune if you need to do it, but I think you can. Thanks for your time. Bye.